Hi, it's Timo, your career uplift coach and ChatGPT savvy career coach. In this video, I'll show you how you can use ChatGPT in career choice and career planning. So, I want ChatGPT to suggest me 10 free online career aptitude tests, including Finnish ones. And let's give it this prompt. And here we go. So it's super fast, and let's see what it suggested us. First 5 English ones, including Princeton Review Career Quiz, and then 5 Finnish ones, including Oratori Ammattinet, etc. Yeah, all of these look legit and very, very useful. Let me suggest you one more test. I just tried it here on ChatGPT chat. I cannot actually ask AI to find it for me because it's a new test, but you will easily find it. Just Google for Marco test by job teacher. Highly recommended, and based on your choices you will get a nicely visualized and customized report. Thank you for watching. Have an uplifting day.